Good evening, class. Welcome back to our class, our beautiful class. Okay, so meet me again. Xkroma, your teacher for YL1A class. And how are you doing for quarantine at home? Is it good or bad? Please tell me. Okay. Okay. Today we are going to learn about the Unit 6. So, Unit 6, we are going to learn about a Billy Steady. Okay, Billy Steady. So, what's going on next? Move to the next slide. Okay, so our class activities today, we are going to learn about the first, we have to review our lesson first, okay? And have a second. Okay, second is about grammar. Okay, about grammar. And next, we're going to do the exercise. And the last one is doing your homework. Okay, move to the next slide. Okay, who is this? Can you guess who is this? Okay, this is review the vocabulary. Okay, so next, mom. Our vocabulary that we have to review is mom. Okay, next, dad. Dad. Next, brother. Brother. Okay, sister, grandma, and grandpa. Okay, so this is for our review lesson. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Guess who they are? Can you see who they are? Okay, guess please who they are. Just guess first, okay? I will tell you later. Because we already know, you can see the picture and you already know this is grandma and grandpa. Okay. Okay, this is for our grammar today. It is about possessive. Possessives. Okay, so what is possessive? This one just example first, and then I will tell you what is possessives. Okay, so parrot's eye. Can you see here parrot's eye and parrot's wing? Parrot's wing, neck, parrot's leg. Okay, we tell you. So like this picture, Goldie's turtle, Goldie's turtles, and one more is Goldie's parrot, one more Goldie's parrot, and one more Goldie's sheep, Goldie's sheep. On to our next slide. What is the question mark here? What is the question mark? Okay, let's move together. Okay, this is for note take, okay? Note take everyone. Okay, I want to ask you that what is a possessive noun? Okay, let me explain you. Possessive nouns tell us who or what has or owns something. Again, possessive nouns tell us who or what has or owns something. So, mình này thay vị trí là bỏ là này cái mùi, bạn này thay vị trí là bỏ là này cái mình này ai chẳng hết. Cứ là bỏ nước mình mà chả bỏ kệ đây chỉ mình nó cứ cho dạy ví Goldie's parrots. Okay, chắc mình này thay sắp xây cái bỏ Goldie. Chắc mình này thay là bỏ nó cứ mình mà chả. So, cáiប្រើជា possessive noun. Là bỏ là mình mà chả. Okay, understand? This is for practice. Look at the picture and discuss. Okay, let's see the picture together. Okay, here is the family. We call family family background, or we call family tree, or yes, because we don't have trees, so we can call family background or family box. Okay, this is a family. They have Josh. They have Mary, they have Annie, they have Frank, they have Lucy, and they have Michael. So let's move to the next slide. Okay, so let's see together what is the next slide is. Okay, please discuss the questions. Discuss the question. What is the question together? Let's see. Okay, this is your homework. Come to get the homework at school. Mặc vô nơi xa lá. Rồi còn ai ăn trong mọi nơi xa lá đấy cho nhà được nông Telegram hay anh cho từng print anh bán. Chứ mà bởi để con anh thở thua đến tia this one. So, nhưng mà slide bị muốn màu thì mùi nó môn này mùi nó cái slide tại tao dùng một family được không? Một family năng. Chứ cái trong đăng tha Amy is Lucy daughter rồi còn mạch chừng. Yes, that is complete the question. So number one, Amy is Lucy's daughter. Right? Okay. So yeah, so mean up and the second, true or false? True or false? Okay. And number 3, enclose the words that are related. Chẳng mơ biển này để tông cho mỗi năng family nó còn lại cu mà ok cu vùng vùng các bạn cu chưa các bạn cu mà các bạn này đều nó cầm chụp con này. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Okay, so anh này để con thời thua nó te chắc chọn thua em thế chứ con thời thua nó te nó con đấy. And let's see, practice B. Look at the family tree and discuss. Okay, here we call family tree. It's the same as family, okay? But here we have the tree, okay? You will do your homework with the family tree, okay? So this is family tree. They have the first one, grandpa is better. The next, grandma is lower. And they have daddy, mommy, they have son, they have daughter. Okay, so they have 2 sons, Mark and Jack, and they have wives. Mark have Sally is wife, and Jake have Amy is wife, and Mark and Sally also have 2 kids. The first kid is Tim and Cat. Tim and Cat, okay? And the next one is Jake and Amy also have 2 kids, Will and Sarah, okay? Move to thinking. What are you thinking about? This is make some sentences, okay? Look to the picture and complete this sentence. This is I don't do it for you, but you have to do it by your own at home, okay? It's our homework. Okay, make possessive statement in 5 sentences. Okay, for example, you can do anything by your own way. Okay, the first one is homework. Okay, like this. You have to complete the possessive statement sentences. Okay, like for example, it is mom's scarf. It is mom's scarf. Okay, so you have to do it at home. This one also, and school practice you have to do at home too, because your school right now at your home. Thank you everyone for your paying attention. I wish you good luck and away from the COVID-19. Take care everyone. Bye bye. See you next video.